Right, so hello again. I'll start without wasting time. Just open your browser and type this URL and hit enter. And just go here, search and hit enter again. You will search for mic and you will see WebRTC. And just disable it. Go here and disable. And if you are using any other browser, just replace this Edge with, you can say, Chrome if you are using Chrome. And same goes for Brave browser. After that, you can just open the control panel. You can go to sound. After going to sound, you can go to recording. You can select your microphone. You can go to levels. Make sure it is to 100%. And now go to advanced. Now uncheck all of these options. Just click on OK. Now, if you encounter any issues with your mic, like your mic is not working properly in an app, you can just go to sound and then follow the same steps back and turn them up. Turn these options on. Now, what you can do is just go to settings, just search here mic and go to microphone privacy settings. Now, you can see these applications here and just go to recent activity. And you can check here which app is having access, which app is currently using your microphone. You can go to next and next, whichever list you want to see, and make sure some useless app is not changing your microphone level. And you can also control these in from here also. Like I can turn on for some app or turn it off, and you can turn it on or off for desktop apps also from here. After doing this, just go to your search bar and type audio. So this will list all related apps to your audio. In my case, I will open this. We'll go to input and turn these options off so that they don't cause any issues with my microphone. And in my case, I don't have any other apps, but you may have apps like Stream. So this Steam is like a gaming app that controls your audio level. So you can just go to such apps and search for automatic gain control and turn them off. That causes the main problem for your microphone. That's all. Thanks for watching.